y'all doing? How you doing, Mr. Childers?
Eating lunch.
And I'm going to tell you what I fixed for lunch. So, I got this down the road. I put it in my pot here on pressure for 15 minutes. And honey, I'm going to tell you what. It's delicious.
Yeah, very good.
He wanted another one. He can't have another one. That's for supper.
Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're all doing good today. It's a beautiful day for us here. Hope it is for you as well. So we've been doing our travel, going to Alaska, documenting things, and we show our rig and stuff, you know, when we talk to y'all and everything. So one of our subscribers, people that watch our channel, asked what the flag was for here. And that's my dad's flag. He was an Army veteran of 6 years. And when he passed away, I got his flag. I made sure my brother was okay with it. But and that's it. That was his flag for serving in the U.S. Army in Germany, where he spent all his time. It was right after World War II. So I'm proud of that fact. And the whole thing about my dad's family, there was 11. And I do believe it was 8 of them that served in the military. So just a little tidbit there. My family history in the military is broad and deep. Please, I served in the Navy, and so did my brother.
And your son.
And my son was in the Army, and my daughter was in the Air Force.
And our youngest daughter married a Navy man.
Yes, and broad background in the military of one's serving our country. And just a little tidbit there.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
No wind.
No wind. Well, teeny bit. Wow. I love to see blue skies. Woohoo! Hopefully this is a nice travel day. Daryl's supposed to get his truck back today. What beauty. Let's zoom in on that. Ah, is that not gorgeous? Just gorgeous. I like snow-covered mountains where down below it's warm. So you can enjoy the beauty of the snow-covered mountains. Well, we're leaving this beautiful place finally today. Daryl's truck got fixed and we're on our way to Missoula. Woohoo! We'll show you some of the scenes on the way. We're all hooked up and ready to go.
Ready to roll.
Woohoo! We are here at the Syntex service station. There you go. And we filled up, and Bobby had to go around the building, and he's coming back here and gonna dump. And when I was inside, I asked the girl if we had to fuel up or spend money or whatever it was to dump, and she says, no, the website is wrong, it's always free. The reason he has the green hose hooked up is because it's only shower water. And
dump at the campground.
Right, you
Dump
couldn't.
wasn't open over there.
Right, the dump wasn't open at the campground. Bobby put an adapter on our composting toilet to where the urine goes into the black tank. So he's draining all of our tanks.
Yep.
The black tank, the kitchen sink, and the shower.
outside of Butte on I-15 heading northeast. We don't go into Butte, we go kind of beside it, and we go on up to Interstate 90 and we start heading west toward Missoula.
Missoula.
Big country. Big country.
Yeah.
Out here there's more cows and critters than people.
Exactly.
So, hope you enjoy the shots today.
Look at those snow-covered mountains. Wow, how pretty is that?
We go right around through there. That's right by Butte. We're on I-15 right now, headed north. We're fixing to head west.
In 1.25 miles, keep left to I-90 West.
I-90 West, y'all. Fixing to hit that road over there.
To Missoula. So that sign said Missoula straight.
Yes.
You said would turn off?
Well, 15 will go one way and 90 goes the other.
Oh, I got you.
90 goes west, 15 north. Then this, it'll just bend around. It'll curve. See the road there?
Okay.
See that? How it runs right there?
We're following mountains all the way.
Keep left to I-90
These bridges
West.
are a little bumpy.
Keep left, it says.
All right, here we go.
Slow down, it says 55. Oh, 25.
Whoa,
Sharp curve.
oh boy. Just don't dump everything in the RV.
Making a U-turn, y'all.
Yeah. I know it kind of looks like we're going back the other way, but we're not.
Fixing to head west.
On the road again. We're so happy to be on the road again.
Well, you have plans. If you're going places and doing things, that's what we do. And had a few delays, nothing major.
That's right.
Well, for us too, we got our stuff taken care of. But Sandy and Duggo, they can't go with us. They have to get the bus engine fixed. So we'll tell y'all more about that probably on the show tonight.
Yeah. Look at that view. Woo-hoo!
Call Daryl on the radio, make sure everything's okay with him. I don't need to stop.
Okay.
How about you there, Daryl? How y'all doing back there? 10-4, same with me. I just came off full. I'm a little bit almost still on full, but I put a little bit of extra and I fill it all the way up this time. But yes, running good. Everything's cool.
Yeah, a couple hours we'll be at the Big M.
That's a 10-4. Talk to you in a bit.
Okay, so if y'all are riding or traveling with other folks,
Radios.
we got radios.
Yep.
And I don't know if you can see. These are the ones we got. They work great. Up to 3 miles distance.
We've tested them to that.
Yep. Well, we made it to Wal-Mart. So we've got some shopping to do at Wal-Mart. We're gonna do our show tonight, and we have to walk to the Cabela's, which is about a half a mile from here. But we caught up with our friends, Sandy and Doug, and Kim and Daryl are over there. And there we are in the presidential suite. So, yep. Lots to do, lots to do. Tomorrow we have to go to Costco because Daryl's getting tires put on his truck, and we have some shopping to do. Plus, we're going to
people that bought our house in Florida.
Somewhere else we got to go to. I can't remember. Anyway,
They sold their
y'all
house
stay
in Virginia,
tuned.
wouldn't
We
even
got
be
lots to do.
half the size for 1.5. Down underneath.